Thanks for helping me out.
You kidding, Lana? A lot of guys like to be where I am.
Oh, you'd be surprised how many offers I didn't get. Even Brad wouldn't stick around for this. It really isn't easy.
Oh, the streamers, yeah, you just pull, and they...
No, not streamers, everything. Not that I'm complaining, it's just that... I don't know why, I just feel like I can talk to you.
What?
I feel like I can talk to you.
You can?
Yes.
You know something, Lana?
What?
I always wish that you would. I mean, even back in high school, remember when you were...
Queen of the prom? Yeah. And then 3 years after the royal wedding, the king abdicated. Isn't that terrible?
Yeah, sure is.
There must be a gallon of potato salad left over. Well, you know what the problem is?
I don't know. Too much mayonnaise?
Mayonnaise? Donald loved mayonnaise. Why would you think that was the problem? No, the problem is, why do I stay in Smallville? Believe me, I've asked myself the same question. Do you know how lucky you are to live in Metropolis? The big apricot?
Well, Lana, you could...
Oh, no, that's easy to say, but how? And what about Ricky?
Ricky?
My little boy.
You?
Yeah.
Oh, that's great.
I mean, at least here we have a house and I've got a job. Okay, I'm only a secretary, okay, but it pays the bills. Except for last winter when the fuel bills kept going up and up and up. Yeah, I even had to pawn my diamond ring, man.
That's a shame.
You never got married?
Me?
Yeah.
Well, I was... No, not...
You know, years later, you can look at someone and think, well, I guess that's the one that got away.